Midea WHD 113FB1 full-size double reversible door refrigerator and freezer. Midea is proud to offer a fine selection of the highest quality refrigerators and freezers in a variety of styles and functions. This model features net capacity 3.1 cu.ft. Dual door mechanical temperature. Low noise. Energy saving. CFC free. Adjustable leg. Separate true chiller compartment. Reversible doors. Dimension. WDH. 18. 5*19. 37*32. 95-inch. Loading capacity 40 HQ. 275 PCs. Midea is a global company on a mission to provide outstanding quality and value above all. LSE. At the core of their business is the basic, but ever-important concepts of quality and value. Concepts that many companies have forgotten or neglected in recent decades. In their climb through the refrigeration and air conditioning markets, their pursuit of market leadership is driven by the desire to be a customer-focused, global company that delivers exceptional quality, innovation and value in all aspects of their operations, from product development and production, to delivery and customer support. The company's core products are residential air conditioning, commercial air conditioning, washing machines, and refrigeration.